Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create expenses categories in Xero. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are going to create an expense category in Xero, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Xero application. Now in Xero, an expense category is created as a new account within the chart of accounts. You can also use tracking categories to further organize expenses for reporting purpose. You can simply create a new expense category or an account and navigate to the chart of accounts. To do so, you can now simply define the account details and hit the click save button. Now you can use tracking categories for further details, like you can simply add a tracking category like department, reason, and hit the save button to categorize it more. So this way you can create expense categories in Xero. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.